Learn Hindi fast. What do you think? I agree, no problem and
बिल्कुल.
in English to Hindi. Welcome to your Hindi chat club. Hey, you are going to learn 5 super useful Hindi phrases today, and you will use them in a tiny comedy scene. Relax, smile, and repeat out loud with confidence. Imagine you are in a meeting, but it is the least serious meeting in human history. The topic is deeply important. Should dinner be spicy, extra spicy, or so spicy that even the ceiling fan starts sweating? Your friend turns to you and asks.
आप क्या सोचते हैं?
That means, what do you think? If you agree, you say.
मैं सहमत हूँ.
If you do not agree, you say.
मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ.
If someone apologizes because they dropped a spoon, a napkin, and somehow the mood of the room, you smile and say.
कोई बात नहीं.
And when someone finally says the exact right thing, you celebrate with.
बिल्कुल.
Your 5 power phrases. Now let's meet each phrase clearly, one by one. Listen first, then repeat like you are the star of a very educational sitcom. What do you think? Equals.
आप क्या सोचते हैं?
I agree, equals.
मैं सहमत हूँ.
I do not agree, equals.
मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ.
No problem, equals.
कोई बात नहीं.
Exactly, equals.
बिल्कुल.
Mini story, the great samosa debate. Let's make the words stick with a silly story. The stranger the story, the stronger the memory. You and your friends are at a cafe. One friend says, we should order 20 samosas. Another says, no, we should order 2 and pretend we are disciplined adults. Then everyone turns to you.
आप क्या सोचते हैं?
You look wise, like a philosopher who has seen many snacks, and say.
मैं सहमत हूँ.
If you support the plan. But if someone suggests dipping samosas in orange juice, you may need to protect civilization and say.
मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ.
Then a waiter drops a spoon and says sorry. You smile kindly.
कोई बात नहीं.
Finally, your smartest friend says, let's order enough for everyone and share. You point dramatically and say.
बिल्कुल.
How they feel in real conversation. You do not just want to know the translation. You want to feel when to use each phrase naturally. Use.
आप क्या सोचते हैं?
When you want someone's opinion politely. It is like handing them the conversation microphone. Use.
मैं सहमत हूँ.
When you want to say more than just yes. It means you agree with the idea. Use.
मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ.
When you disagree but want to sound calm, not like a dramatic movie villain. Use.
कोई बात नहीं.
To reassure someone after a small mistake, apology, or awkward moment. It instantly makes things softer. Use.
बिल्कुल.
When something is exactly right. It is stronger and more excited than a simple yes. Dialogue drill. Now you are jumping into a quick dialogue. I'll give the English line and the Hindi response you can practice. A. What do you think? B.
आप क्या सोचते हैं?
A. Do you agree? B.
मैं सहमत हूँ.
A. Do you support this strange plan involving mango pizza? B.
मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ.
A. Sorry, I am late. B.
कोई बात नहीं.
A. So the answer is this one, right? B.
बिल्कुल.
Speed round quiz. Time for a fast and fun review. See if your brain can catch the phrase before your inner sleepy turtle does. How do you say, what do you think?
आप क्या सोचते हैं?
How do you say, I agree?
मैं सहमत हूँ.
How do you say, I do not agree?
मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ.
How do you say, no problem?
कोई बात नहीं.
How do you say, exactly?
बिल्कुल.
Build your own tiny conversation. Now let's put the phrases together so they feel alive. You are not memorizing bricks, you are building a house. Try this flow out loud. Person 1 says, we have 2 ideas.
आप क्या सोचते हैं?
Quote. You answer.
मैं सहमत हूँ.
If you like the idea. Or say.
मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ.
If you do not. If someone says, sorry, I interrupted you, you reply.
कोई बात नहीं.
Quote. And if they finally understand your point perfectly, reward them with a happy, confident.
बिल्कुल.
Quote. Congratulations, you are now surviving a Hindi discussion without hiding behind a potted plant. Friendly conclusion. You did it, and your Hindi just became more useful in real conversations. That is a beautiful thing, and also a great excuse to practice again tomorrow. Today you learned.
आप क्या सोचते हैं? मैं सहमत हूँ. मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ. कोई बात नहीं.
And.
बिल्कुल.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the phrases out loud, use them in tiny daily conversations, and come back whenever you want another fun Hindi boost.